How to make streaks on Snapchat. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to make streaks on the Snapchat application. First, open the application, and for you to create a streak, let's get to know streaks first. So, a streak is an indication that you had a lot of snap conversation with your friend. An indication here is that beside your friend's name, there is a fire emoji with a number on it. That means that we had a 1 day streak with my friend. So, in order for you to have or make a streak, you need to directly ask the person that you want to do a streak with him or her. So, for example, I'll be messaging Maria. I can directly message her, like, do you want to start a streak? And then when we send it to her, we just need to wait for her to respond. Another way here is that you can take any picture, and then when you click on a picture, you can just add a text that streak with a question mark at the end, and then you just click on next, and then you can directly send it or send the snap to one of your contacts. For example, I'll send it to Tsuki Hashi. When I send it to my friend Tsuki, the snap will be directly sent to her, and once she agrees with sending or making a streak with me, she will also respond with a snap. And that's how you make a streak on Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.